American Standard Solar Series heat pump once again. It's just hot, so it must have been running. And it's warm outside, so it's probably been running in cool mode, most likely. Yet there's the train compressor. 2 or 3 weeks ago, I got a startup of this unit. It's also known as the ESSS. There's a bank with Mitsubishi Mini Split and those 3 Train XL69 air conditioners. At one point I got this Employees York air conditioner. Oh, and I just did. Ooh! That's what happens when you don't have a case on. Hey, the screen didn't shatter. Oh no. It's like something on like on the corner. On the corners of my phone. It's not what a screen protector is. So yeah, 36 by 3 base plate for this unit. Oh, it got to start. Oh, it just started up. Wow, that's amazing.